I'm gonna use this grenade on this cow. Cause I swear to God, Cal, you fucking piss me off, bro. I'm gonna shoot it in the ass first. I'm gonna give him a whole nother fucking asshole. Oh, there it is. Look at this motherfucker, bro.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You fucking bitch, bro! You motherfucker! Oh my God, fool! I'm about to fucking kill you right now, dog. You fuck. That's it, bro. You piece of shit, bro. You piece of shit, bro. That's it. Show me your ass, bro. Show me your fucking ass, bro. Show me your fucking ass, motherfucker, bro. This one, you're fucking done, bro. Oh no! Pussy!